Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of chia seeds. How to eat chia seeds for maximum health benefits. We'll explore their incredible health benefits, the best ways to incorporate them into your diet, and some essential tips to maximize their potential. Let's get started. Chia seeds may be small, but they pack a mighty punch. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and essential minerals like calcium and magnesium, they're a fantastic addition to a balanced diet. Before consuming chia seeds, it's crucial to prepare them properly. These seeds can absorb up to 10 times their weight in liquid, forming a gel-like consistency. This not only makes them easier to digest, but also helps in releasing their nutrients effectively. To soak chia seeds, add 1 tablespoon of seeds to a cup of water. Stir well and let them sit for about 20 minutes. For a softer texture and better nutrient absorption, you can soak them for up to 2 hours or even overnight in water or any liquid of your choice. One of the most popular ways to enjoy soaked chia seeds is by making chia pudding. Mix 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with a cup of almond or soy milk. Add a touch of honey or agave, and let it sit overnight in the refrigerator. In the morning, top it with your favorite fruits, yogurt, or granola for a delicious and nutritious breakfast. Another simple method is blending chia seeds into your smoothies. Just add a tablespoon of soaked chia seeds to your favorite smoothie recipe. This not only enhances the nutritional value, but also gives your smoothie a thicker texture. You can also sprinkle soaked chia seeds over salads, oatmeal, or yogurt. They add a subtle crunch and boost the fiber content of your meals. Drinking chia seed water is another excellent way to consume them. Soak a tablespoon of chia seeds in a glass of water for about 20 minutes. Add a squeeze of lemon or lime, and enjoy a refreshing and hydrating beverage. For those who love baking, chia seeds can be incorporated into muffins, pancakes, and bread. They can also serve as an egg substitute in vegan baking. To replace 1 egg, mix 1 tablespoon of whole chia seeds or 2 teaspoons. While chia seeds are versatile, it's important to consume them correctly. Eating dry chia seeds without soaking can pose a choking hazard, especially for those with swallowing difficulties. Always ensure they're soaked or mixed with moist foods before consumption. Moderation is key. Consuming about 1 to 2 tablespoons, 15 to 30 grams, of chia seeds per day is generally safe and beneficial for most adults. However, introducing them gradually into your diet is advisable to allow your digestive system to adjust to the increased fiber intake. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet is a simple and effective way to boost your nutritional intake. Whether in puddings, smoothies, salads, or baked goods, these tiny seeds offer immense health benefits. Remember to prepare them properly, consume them in moderation, and enjoy experimenting with different recipes. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and nutrition tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.